Funny would you rather questions. Would you rather wear the same underwear for a month or not bathe for a month? Would you rather dance everywhere you went or sing everything you had to say? Would you rather be a cow or be a chicken? Would you rather be a tree or live in a tree? Would you rather lick a toilet seat or lick a garbage can? Would you rather eat a rotten egg or eat moldy cheese? Would you rather smell like poop after you shower or smell like fish after every meal? Would you rather eat a rotten tomato or eat a bowl of cat food? Would you rather always be overdressed or always be underdressed? Would you rather drink all your food from a baby bottle or wear visible diapers for the rest of your life?